Turbo Tim is ZZPerformance. Here's my engine. I did some street tuning, enjoyed the car for about 2 or 3 weeks, good times. I put it on the dyno once at like mid-low 20 PSI. It made 700, and working through some tuning on being able to turn it up past that. I got it to a happy spot on the street. So I showed up here, grabbed one of my guys, Alex, the guy that designed the turbo kit, and I was like, hey, let's go for a ride. So we took it for a ride, and good ride. And I'm like, you know what? Let's just throw it on the dyno and see what it makes currently right now at like 29 pounds of boost. So we threw it on the dyno, 814 wheel horsepower. Yeah, that was a good time. It was pretty hard to get it to hook up. I'm gonna have to figure out something with that when I want to turn it up more. But I made the pull, called the marketing guys, and I'm like, hey, you better get over here because this is gonna be a sweet dyno pull. Well, they come over, and yeah, the next pull it was like 7 something, like low 7 something, but the boost is still 29 pounds. And it stalled after the dyno pull. I kind of know what that means from my old 3800 stuff. That usually means it spun a rod bearing. So, you know, slowed the car down, fired it up, kind of had a shake to it. Then it let out a couple chirps, and I knew exactly what that was. So here's my engine, freshly removed as of today. I'm gonna have my main engine guy pull the heads off, diagnose everything, mic and spec out everything to see what happened, see if it's an oil delivery issue. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. I mean, it's a speculation, but I will say that I did check the oil like right before the first pull on the dyno, so it was good. So we're gonna pull it apart in the next couple days, and we'll tell you what happened. So if you want to see ZZP's most expensive dyno pull ever, stay tuned.